In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Cleave in Jujutsu Shenanigans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the World Cutting Cleave, the World Dismantle ability, or whatever you want to call it. In order to do this, you will have to be playing as the King of Curses. There will be a very specific chain of commands that you have to do, and while it is possible for you to do this on all platforms, I'm gonna be focusing on PC. So all that you have to do is first get your awakened form. You will fill out this part through combat, and then you can activate your awakened form. After you see this animation, you are ready to try. Then you will have to press 1, 3, 2, and then R. So it should look something like this. And after you spam your special, it is going to go off. So you will need to press 1 followed by 3, 2, and then spam R. I don't have cooldowns here, so I can demonstrate this process better, but if you are doing it in-game, of course, there are going to be cooldowns involved, but if you are able to get it off, you should see this animation play out, and it is extremely satisfying to use. If you do it wrong, you will see this one instead, because you delayed your actions too much, or you did them too quickly. So once again, I'm going to give my ultimate no cooldowns, and I'm gonna show this again. So you get your awakened form, you see this animation, and now you have to press 1, 3, 2, and then spam R. So every time that you press 1, 3, 2, and then R quickly, it should do this animation. You will see Scale of the Dragon, Recoil, Twin Meteors, and you should pull it off. The timing is very strict, and you have to be on point, but if you are able to get it off, this attack is wonderful, and the more people it hits, the more damage it's going to do. It's going to push them back, and it's a great way to break their defenses if you want to set up an attack. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Cleave in Jujutsu Shenanigans. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.